We're back! I am Chin from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is sa September 1 hanggang September 8 for weekly gabay for the sign of Aries. So, Aries, welcome to my channel. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na ia-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na ang mensahe sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. Umpisahan na natin guys. Ano ang pinakapasabog sa inyo ng ating mga gabay for a weekly gabay for our first week of the month of September? There's a Two of Wands. There's a decision. So, may pagdidesisyonan ka dito with the black namin. Black namin is a negative energy or there's a divine negative, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mo magdesisyon, no? Kung mawala ka dito sa negativity. What is the negativity? There's a Five of Swords. There's a lot of there's a lot of betrayal na susubukan kang kuha na ng information na para magkaroon ng self-sabotage. So, what is additional messages? There's a Five of Coin, no? Kumbaga, there's a financial loss. And of course, there's a white na, wow! There's a white namin. So, there's a black namin with a white namin. It means, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng balance. What is additional messages? Okay, there is I told you, the Two of Pentacles is a balance. So, what is the Two of Wands? What is the Two of Wands? Angel Spirit Guides. What is the Two of Wands? Okay, there is a Seven of Pentacles. There's a harvest time. And of course, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa intuition mo, ha? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na mayroon kang dapat pagdesisyonan at there's a harvest time. At sinasabi siguro dito na yung makukuha mong profit or yung kita, no, na makukuha mo, kailangan mong mag-invest. Kailangan mo maging matalino dito. What is the black namin? There's a Six of Wands. Magtatagumpay ka dito sa negative energy na to. So, there's a negativity na something or someone na gumagawa sa'yo. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success. Magtatagumpay ka dyan, no? Maaaring ma-release mo. And of course, the Five of Swords, there's a Death card. There's that card is ending and a new beginning. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka dito ng transformation. Kumbaga ngayon na unti-unti mo na natatauhan at unti-unti mo na nalalaman na kumbaga may strategy ka na dapat gawin, no? Kumbaga meron kang ways na kailangan isakatuparan. So sinasabi sa dito maging maingat ka sa pagbibigay ng mga information. So parang ito na yung pagbabago sa iyo. What is the Five of Pentacles? So there's the Hermit card, soul searching. And of course, there's the Moon card. There's a truth reveal. Kumbaga, ngayon matatauhan ka na malalaman mo na ang kalagahan about sa finances. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang unti-unti mo na natatauhan, unti-unti mo nang natutuklasan, no, na may mga tao sa paligid mo na nandyan lang kapag kailangan ka. No? Kapag may pera ka andyan, pag ikaw na ang wala. And of course, white namin, it means there's a Six of Pentacles, there's a give and taking. Give and take pala, sorry. There's a give and take. Ibig sabihin, magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances. Ang Six of Pentacles sa akin, talaga pasabog yan. Magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances. What is the Two of Pentacles? What is the Two of Pentacles? Angel Spirit Guides. There is a Ten of Pentacles. See? Magkakaroon ka ng balance and long-term success and long-term investment with your long-term relationship. Talaga magkakaroon ka ng balance dito, T. There's a relationship din ako nasa-sense dito, ha? What is the Two of Wands? The Seven of Pentacles and the Four of Swords. Okay, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money coming in. May malaking pera ka rin ditong na parating, ha? What is the black namin and the Six of Wands? Okay, there's a Six of Swords. Transition, di ba? Bigla ka magta-transform dito, T. Dati parang ang nega-nega, kumbaga may mga sulsol, may mga budol dyan sa paligid mo. Ngayon parang natatauhan ka na, unti-unti mo na natutuklasan na, I need to detach from the situation. Na kailangan ko na umalis sa sitwasyon. Maraming mga users, maraming plastic dito sa paligid ko. What is the Five of Swords in the Death card? What is the Five of Swords in the Death card? So, there's a Page of Pentacles, manifestation. So, may mga bagay na manifest ka. There's a new, fresh ideas. May mga fresh na para papasok sa isip mo na, ay, eto yung dapat kong gawin. Yung strategy na sinasabi ko before. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng transformation using a strategy, uniqueness, ganon. What is the Five of Pentacles? And the Hermit and the Moon card. Okay, there's a Three of Pentacles. Puro Pentacles, te, ha? Naku, mukhang puro pera to, ha? The Three of Pentacles represent trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na parang nagkaroon ka na ng kamalayan eh. And of course, nagkaroon ka na ng kumbaga nalaman mo na yung revelasyon about sa finances. Kumbaga natauhan ka na, no? Na hindi dapat sinasayang yung perang dumarating sa buhay mo. What is the Six of Pentacles? And of course, the White namin. Okay, there's a Five of Wands. There's a lot of competitors. Ay, teamwork daw. Sorry. Ang sinasabi dito na Five of Wands na hindi sa competitor. Kumbaga, teamwork. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng teamwork with your husband or wife, no? With your family. What is the Two of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles? And of course, sinasabi din sa'yo, there's a Four of Wands. There's a celebration coming in for you. May celebration ka na magdadala sa'yo ng long-term success and long-term investment. Meron ako nasisense dito na magbubukas ka na panibagong negosyo. No? Parang meron ditong kumbaga may blessing dito ng negosyo. What is the outcome? Outcome is the High Priestess. There's an unexpected moment. May mga unexpected na magaganap sa buhay mo. May mga kaganapan sa buhay mo na hindi mo ina-expect. May mga kaganapan sa buhay mo na biglaan. So what, and of course, there's a mystery behind. No, there's a mystery here. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na hindi mo ina-adya pero pinagkaloob sa'yo. And then the higher fund, there's a lesson learned. May mga bagay na matututunan ka dyan. And then there's an education. Additional messages. There's a Wheel of Fortune. Wow! Talagang may nakatadhana talaga ditong mangyari, ti. Okay, thank you. Sinasabi dito, ha, kumbaga, there's an unexpected moment, and of course, there's a higher fund, there's an education, and of course, there's a contract. May nasisense akong kontrata. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. Kumbaga, talagang meron talagang ikot ng kapalaran, parang gulong ng paalad na dati kang naghihirap dito sa eksena. Kumbaga ito na, there's an harvest time coming in for you. And because there's a Eight of Pentacles, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Kumbaga magbubukas ka na talaga ng panibagong negosyo, hanap buhay na magdadala sa'yo ng, wow, Four of Pentacles. Sinasabi dito ng protect your power, protect your energy, budget, no? Kailangan mong limitahan yung mga bagay-bagay, mag-focus ka sa finances, puro dapat papasok, no? Huwag kang mag-isip ng pagkakagastosan, mag-isip ka muna ng puro pagkakakitaan. It's a big opportunities na natauhan ka at natutunan mo yung education or lesson mo sa buhay. And there's a High Priestess. Para ka dito pinukpok yung ulo mo na parang natauhan ka. And because there's a Wheel of Fortune, yung swerte, te. Dadaloy na sa'yo. No, the Wheel of Fortune sabi dito, there's a bless in disguise and there's a bless no coming in for you. So what is the Love Oracle card? Swerte ay mapapasayo, ang ikot ng kapalaran ay nakatadhana, no? At nakalaan na para sa iyo. So what is the Love Oracle card? There is a Twin Flame, yin and yang, balance, magiging balance ka dito. Talagang magkakaroon ka ng duality in union with your loved ones and with your partner, no? Talagang complement each other. Ngayon parang magkakaroon ka ng parang importansya sa isa't isa, parang magkakaroon talaga in celebration. So what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? I have confidence. Ibig sabihin dito na kailangan mo maging confident sa ginagawa mo. Maging confident ka sa mga inaasikaso mo o sa paligid mo, and of course maging confident ka sa sarili mo, and there's an innocence, no? May mga bagay din na parang hindi ka pa aware, or may mga bagay na hindi ka pa mulat dun sa bagay na yun. Kumbaga, this is your moment. So bago man sa to, pero sinasabi sa dito na simulan mo ang panibagong eksena o panibagong buhay na nakalaan para sa iyo. So what is additional messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a magworm, there's a right passage, no? Kumbaga, nakapasa ka na sa hamon ng buhay. Nakapasa ka na sa, kumbaga, yung mga pagsubok. What is additional messages? And there's a stairs, direction timing. There's a perfect timing, pero this is the perfect timing. Kumbaga, dagdaan ka na sa step by step. And of course, the direction is yours. Kumbaga, this is your moment, this is your time, no? Additional messages. And of course, sinasabi rin sa'yo dito, guys, na there's a kitchen creation, no? Ito yung sinasabi, no? Magbukas ka ng panibagong eksena na para magbibigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga, uniqueness. Na parang kakaiba to, na, yun yung sinasabi, di ba, innocence, yung parang hindi ka pa, parang wala kang mulat sa ganito, hindi ka aware, ganito, ganyan. Kumbaga, this is your moment na parang, ito yung panibagong eksena, ikaw yung magbibigay ng signature. So, what is additional energy? What is this energy, angel spirit guides? Ang pinaka-energy is second chakra, Archangel Ariel, about sa finances. At the same time, there's an action. Kilos galaw. Galaw-galaw sa taggalaw. Charis. And because financial constraint. Ibig sabihin dito, may nangyari about sa financial mo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na matuto ka na about sa finances. Kumbaga, parang maging aware ka, no? Kumbaga, mag-ingat ka sa paggastos kung ayaw mong bumalik sa pagkalugmok, no? So, what is additional messages? Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a success. Talagang greater goal mo talaga is success. No? And of course, there's a gratitude, no? Kumbaga, binigay sa'yo ito and you are being a blessed, not because you are, kumbaga, a blessed person, no? Gratitude siya, thankful for this life and opportunities that is present, no? Kung nagpapasalamat ka kasi natagpuan mo to at naranasan mo to. And of course, there's a 6, I am nurturing. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, your heart is your gift. You are a natural born nurturer and have a great talent for helping and healing others. You are the epitome of self-sacrifice and protector for those you love. Ibig sabihin dito, nurture sa'yo yung pagtulong. Nurture sa'yo na kaya mong sumugal sa eksena, kaya mong magsakripisyo alang-alang sa taong minamahal mo. So, what is the chakra? What is the chakra? Okay, there's a destiny. Talagang meron talaga nakalaan para sa'yo. And there's a discoveries. Marami ka pang madidiscover na magdadala sa'yo ng kaligayahan. There's a joy, no? Discoveries and destiny. The Wheel of Fortune is destiny. Talagang may nakalaan na nakatadhana para sa'yo. Hindi yan mapipigilan. 'Di ba? Talagang nurture sa'yo na darating sa buhay mo na magiging masagana ang buhay mo. And of course, be good comfort, your faith has may be wall. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, ayusin mo lang yung pagiging mabuting tao mo, no? Kumbaga, it's, ginagawa kang instrumento ni God para makatulong sa ibang tao, even sa family mo. Sinasabi na sa'yo dito na magtiwala at maniwala ka lang na kaya mong humarap at kaya mong malagpas sa lahat ng pagsubok. Ibibigay sa'yo ni God ng buong buo ang nararapat na para sa'yo. So, what is additional messages? Okay, sinasabi dito, there's a music. Some of you parang nakikinig ng music. So, some of you, parang nagkakaroon ka ng healing, no? Sa pag naririnig mo yung mga tugtugan na ganyan, ganyan, Chris. Okay. So, let's see. What is the messages of life? What is the messages of life? Consciousness. So, what is our consciousness? Today, I pay attention to every thoughts and feeling that is manifest. My outer world reflects my inner consciousness. I pour the light of my awareness on my most constructive thoughts so they will grow and produce the experiences I want. Mindful of what I create in this universe. I become an expression of divine light. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga natutuklasan mo at nalalaman mo na yung mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga, hindi ka lang aware conscious ka talaga sa bawat bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. Marami kang nadi-discover, marami kang nalalaman. Kumbaga, matutuklasan mo talaga at talagang mararanasan mo ang marangyang buhay. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a destiny to happen, and of course, there's a success, there's a big money coming in, the wheel of fortune, there's a destiny, and of course, talagang umikot ang gulong ng palad na magsasabi sa'yo na, kumbaga, this is your time, this is your moment to shine. So, ibig sabihin, galingan mo hanggat hawak mo ang ikot ng kapalaran. So, ibig sabihin dito, hanggat nasa sa'yo hanggat nandiyan ka sa taas, mananatili ka sa taas, basta lagi ka magpakumbaba. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, lahat na nagpapakababa ay itinataas. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 1 hanggang September 8 for a weekly gabay for the month of September. So for the sign of Aries. So Aries, this is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye bye and babush.